I'm Eloise Thomas. I'll be your instructor for Psych 100, the B block class. I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you. First of all, let me tell you a little about myself. I went back to school at 40 to a community college much like this, and then I got my associates, and then I went on, got my bachelor's and a master's, and I'm currently working on my PhD. I teach this class, Psych of Personal Adjustment. I also teach Psychology of Aging. I also teach Psych 110, Introduction to Psychology, and I've occasionally taught Lifespan Development. I'm currently working on my PhD. It's entirely an online program, so I'm telling you that because I want you to know that I understand what it's like to be an online student, at least on some level. I know what it's like to think my teacher's not going to get in touch with me or wonder if I'm ever going to get things graded. Just so you know ahead of time, I generally get back to emails within a few hours. As far as grading, usually within a couple days after it's due. If something ever happens that I don't get back to you within 24 hours or haven't graded something in 3 or 4 days, please email me in case I missed it. I won't be insulted. I'd rather have you contact me. Don't ever worry about whether your questions bother me or it's something you shouldn't ask. If this were a seated class, I would expect that you would have questions and you would ask me there. So know that I expect to hear your questions. I'm happy to answer them. Sometimes I may guide you to where to find these things online, and sometimes I'll just answer it directly if it's not there. Remember that in an 8-week class, you're going to be doing the same work that you would in a 16-week class. So we hit the ground running. Just expect to be doing a lot of work each week. The first thing you'll find when you go into Canvas, look in the modules, and you'll find Canvas navigation instructions. For some of you, Canvas is new. Those instructions would help you a lot. Some of you are very used to Canvas, and that's fine. You still may want to refer back to them. After that module, you'll see 8 modules. Each one will last a week, and we'll have a couple of chapters from the textbook and some other readings and videos. It's very important to stay caught up in a class that moves this fast. I look forward to getting to know you over the next 8 weeks. I see where the gag reels come from. I teach this class and this class.